Okay, Tory Burch was having a sale on their shoes, and I shared a video of the first pair of Tory Burch shoes that I bought with you all, and I want to do an update video on that because I feel like there's some things that are happening with those shoes that I'm not too pleased with. But I went ahead and bought a couple of pairs because they were having 70% off, and then I had that little discount card that they had given me, although I did not use it because I didn't spend, you had to spend $250 and I did not spend $250. But I wanted to try a different type of shoe from them. Like I said, I did want the Miller sandal, the very popular Miller sandal. And I didn't get those because I thought like they were really flat. And I really feel like the shoes I got are really flat too. But I saw somebody wearing them and I thought they were so cute. And I didn't know what brand they were because they don't indicate that they're Tory Burch shoes. At least not from where I could see. So let me get this box open. It's going to be a little bit of a situation with me trying to open the box and hold the phone. So this is a impromptu unboxing, so bear with me. Okay, so I just got the box open and it has this little card in it, and it says embrace ambition. Join us to empower women entrepreneurs. Learn more at torybirchfoundation.org. Okay, and then I believe this is just like my, yeah, it says my packing list of what I bought. So then you open it up and it's very well packaged. I'm sorry if y'all can see the shadow of my phone. So I think it's when these brands make an effort to make it special for you. It's like your heart starts thumping and they make it a good experience, which is kind of neat. So it just says thank you. We hope you found exactly what you were looking for. So, and then it's just a little card. And then it has this, it's kind of like this little vinyl looking covering on it. Has that little sticker on there. I tried to turn on the flash. I don't know if that made things better or worse. Okay, so here they are, and they're the same shoe, it's just a different color. So let me just move this over, and here's the little box, and let's see, there's the info on it. So this one is the rose gold perfect blush, and I'll let you guys know what this retails for, or what they retail for. And oh, another little dust bag. I don't know if you all follow me on Instagram or if you saw my other Tory Burch unboxing, but what I did was I just pulled this string out, and it was kind of hard to pull it out, but I use it as a necklace. And it's really cute, especially when I wear my gold Tory Burch sandals. It's really cute to have that little matching necklace. So here it is. Let's see. Let me try to go into direct sunlight so you all can see. It is so pretty. And it has the little sequins. And like I said, other than having the label here, I don't see anywhere on the top that, I mean, it doesn't have the double T. What is that? What is that? Okay, well that's not good. I don't know if you guys can see there how the sequence kind of is off from right there. It's all the way down on this side, but let me check the other one. That's kind of disappointing. Sometimes when you get stuff on sale, I hate to say it's because it's on sale, because the quality should still be there, regardless if it's on sale or not. Yeah, I wonder if that's just the way it's made. Right there. Or if they just got like, there's a little bit on the top too where it just kind of gets, it's just probably the little sequence. But anyway, here are the shoes. Let me try them on. And they're flat. They're also flat like the Miller sandal, so I don't know why it would matter if I got the Miller sandal or not, but I ordered a 6.5 and that's what I wear. So they seem to fit really well, true to size. They look pretty. So you can see that, what I'm talking about right there. But I don't know if that's going to be a big deal to me in sending them back. I think as long as it doesn't tear, I'm okay with it. But you can see from the top how the sizing and where my feet actually fall. So that's this color. Here are the other pair that I bought, but they sent me a 7.5. So much for winning. Let me see. Oh yeah, these are, I feel like they're way too big. They don't look bad though. I mean, they don't look humongous on my foot, which is really strange. It doesn't look bad at all. In fact, it almost looks I mean, I do see where I have a little bit more toe area up here, but it doesn't look like it's huge on my foot. Looking down, you can kind of see a little bit back here and you know, in the front. And then with this one, like I said, it's true to size. You can't really see much there, and my foot's at a good place. Feels a little sticky on this one, so that's what I bought, y'all. And as far as the price point, I'll have to see about these. Actually feel more comfortable. I mean, the actual sequence here, it feels more comfortable. This one feels a little bit more snug. So I think it'll be okay just to keep them. I hate returning stuff. I don't know about y'all, but I hate, capital H-A-T-E, hate returning stuff. So I don't know if I returned them. I almost feel like I should return the one I actually ordered for a bigger size. And plus, because it has that little damage on it. This one doesn't really have that situation here. So, I'm just feeling like this one has the better fit. Now, I did see in the box where it said to ensure the longest life of your shoe and prevent damage to its delicate embellishments, please be extra gentle. So that one came in the box of the silver ones, not the rose gold. So came to a different mirror so I could try to see, because it's kind of hard to look down. But that is the 7.5, and that is the 6.5. And for some reason, sorry y'all, I don't mean to be moving so much. For some reason, I feel like I'm in the Twilight Zone. Because I feel like they look the same. Yeah. Very pretty though. Very sparkly. Very pretty shoe. Okay, so I looked at my receipt, and they were on sale for $99, and then the day that I bought them, they were having an additional 30% off. And so I ended up getting both pairs. It was free shipping with tax for $149. So almost $150 for both shoes. So that is my unboxing. I'm not sure if I'll send this pair back, because like I said, I really don't like that it has that situation on the side, and I'm really leaning towards just getting the 7.5 because they feel more roomy in the top and more comfortable. And I know when I was sitting down, it seemed like my feet were hanging a little low, but once I stand up and walk in them, it's fine. So I'll decide if I'm gonna send them back or not. It's such a pain to send or return things. This is when it's nice to live in a bigger city and you can just run to the store, but since it's on the inside, I might just keep them and not worry about it. I did get them at a good price. And by the way, these are called the Carter Slide. I'm sorry, I don't think I ever said what they were called, but they're called the Carter Slide. And they do retail normally. Let me look that up really quick. Okay, yes, they retail for $248. And like I said, I got them for they were 70% off already, so they were $99, and then I had an additional 30% off. So I ended up purchasing both pairs for $149.34. So I'm assuming this little slide is very delicate, so you don't want to maybe go dancing and somebody might step on you because the sequins might come flying off. But yeah, they're cute. I like them. I feel like you can dress them up or dress them down. Very pretty shoe. I will let you guys know if I decide to return this one because of the sequence coming off here. This one's in good shape. and I like that size better. So I would say if you want a roomier fit, size up. So yeah, that's my unboxing. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.